Hello everyone, my name is Zhao Xingkai. My metric number is A207367. Okay, today I would like to talk about my topic. Universities must ban the use of AI tools for graduate assignments. Imagine two students submitting the same assignment. One spends several days researching, reading, thinking, and writing independently. The other simply enters a few instructions into AI tool and receives complete answers within minutes. If both students receive the same grade, is that gradually a fair reflection of learning effort. This topic is highly relevant to all university students because graduate assignments affect our academic performance, academic reputations, and future opportunities. If AI tools are fairly used in graduate work, hardworking students may feel unfairly treated, while others may lose the opportunities to develop genuine academic skills. As a university student, I have seen how AI can help students find information quickly and improve efficiency. However, I have also observed that some students rely on AI too heavily instead of learning independently. Therefore, I believe these issues deserve serious discussions. My central idea is that universities should ban or restrict the use of AI tools for graduate assignment because of reliance on AI weakens self-learning ability, increase academic dishonesty, and reduce critical thinking and creativity. Okay, today I will discuss three main points. First, I will explain how AI dependence reduces students' ability to learn independently. Second, I will discuss how AI contribution to academic dishonesty. Third, I will explain how excessive AI use weakens critical thinking and creativity. The main idea first, AI dependence reduces students' ability to learn independently. To begin, the first problem is that AI tools negatively affect students' learning process. According to a 2023 study by Tilly and his colleagues, the rapid adoption of AI tools such as ChatGPT has raised concerns about students becoming dependent on AI-generated content and the impact this may have on learning outcomes. Students may rely on AI-generated responses instead of actively engaging in learning. Rather than reading, researching, and solving problems independently, they may simply accept the AI-generated answers. For example, when students receive an assignment, some may immediately use AI to generate a complete response. Although the assignment can be finished quickly, students miss valuable opportunities to develop research skills, analytical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. AI also allows students to complete the assignment without fully understanding the concepts being assessed. Instead of learning through the process, they focus only on completing the task. As a result, students may gradually lose the ability to learn independently and become overly dependent on technology. Over time, important skills such as analysis and problem solving and self-directed learning may become weaker. The main idea to AI increase academic dishonesty. Besides affecting learning, AI also creates serious concerns regarding academic integrity. According to Content Partnership in 2024, many educators are concerned that AI-generated work makes it difficult to determine whether assignments genuinely reflect students' knowledge and abilities. AI tools can produce an ICS report and answers within seconds. Because of this convenience, some students may submit AI-generated work instead of completing assignment honestly. This creates an unfairness in academic assignments. Students who spend hours researching and writing independently may receive similar grades to those who rely heavily on AI-generated content. Imagine two students competing for the same scholarship. One student works hard to complete every assignment independently, while other allows AI to do most of the work. If both receive similar results, the grading system no longer rewards genuine effort and learning. Furthermore, universities are built on the principles of honesty, responsibility, and fairness. Although unrestricted AI use many ways can lead values and reduce confidence in academic qualification. Therefore, universities should establish stricter regulation to ensure that assignment genuinely reflects students' ability and effort. The main idea third, AI weakens critical thinking and creativity. Finally, as I said, AI use can weaken students' critical thinking and creativity. According to a 2023 study by Kazanik and his colleagues, over-reliance on AI-generated content may reduce opportunities for students to engage in independent thinking and problem-solving activities. Critical thinking is one of the most important skills developed through higher education. It allows students to evaluate evidence, questions, assumptions, analyzing arguments, and making informed decisions. However, if students simply accept AI-generated answers without questioning them, they may fail to learn how to evaluate information critically, construct logical arguments, and identify weaknesses in information. Creativity can also be negatively affected. University assignments are designed to encourage students to develop original ideas and innovative solutions. However, AI-generated content is usually based on existing patterns and commonly available information. Because AI often generates common and predictable responses, students may become less creativity especially in unique operation and developing innovation ideas. If this trend continues, universities may produce graduates who have degrees but lack original innovation and independent thinking skills that employee value. Okay, in conclusion, although AI tools can be useful for learning and research, they should not replace students' own effort in graduate assignments. Today, I have presented 3 reasons why universities should ban or restrict the use of AI tools for graduate assignment. First, AI dependence reduces students' ability to learn independently. Second, AI increases academic dishonesty and creates unfairness in academic assignment. Third, AI weakens critical thinking and creativity, which are essential skills for success in university and future careers. Therefore, students should complete graduate assignment using their own understanding and abilities, while universities should establish clear and strict policies regarding AI use in academic work. A university graduate should represent the student's knowledge, effort, and ability, not the machine's answer. Therefore, university must protect genuine learning by banning or strictly controlling the use of AI tools in graduate assignment. Okay, thank you for your listening.